कैसे हो
तुम बताओ.
he's definitely patient because he's able to handle me. He's very loving. What else? There are a lot of things I can say. Depends on what kind of an answer you want. But what I would say is that I learned a lot from him. He also learned a lot from me, and we've grown together over the last 7 years. And we've grown around each other, complementing each other. And he takes care of me a lot. He's a very caring person, very understanding. And probably that's why I love him so much.
दो नैन सितारे है चांद सा मुखड़ा, क्या कहना उसका आफरीन। दावत में जैसे हो शाही टुकड़ा, उसके जैसी न कोई नाज़नीन। शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है। शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है। शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के, वही तो।
Do you agree to spend the rest of your life?
Yes, yes.
कैसे मैं कहूँ शुक्रिया, उसका मुझ पे एहसान है। ना चीजों की बस्ती में वो जो बन के आई मेहमान है। कैसे मैं कहूँ
Atya and Mama, one secret of a power couple marriage you would share with Vaidehi and Saugata.
Respect, commitment, understanding and appreciation.
Wife is always right.
Commitment, trust, communication and respect. These are the four important pillars of the successful marriage life.
Divide the work and so there will be no petty fights.
दिन चाहे खट्टा हो या मीठा हो,
But evening spicy honi chahiye. A man is incomplete before marriage. After that, he is completely finished.
you can't blame everything on God for your mistakes. So he created husbands.
बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे गई। दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई। हाय बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे गई। दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई।
रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यूं न जा। आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ। रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यूं न जा। कैसा तू है निर्मोही, कैसा हर जाइया।
रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे फकीरा रे फकीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा।
So as a person, Vaidi is basically the person who triggers me in all the right ways.
Going to say.
In all the right ways, I mean. What I mean by that is, obviously she loves me a lot and cares for me a lot. But what I love the most about her is that she pushes me to be a better version of myself every time, every day. For the last 7 years we've been doing that. And I would say whatever journey I've had today, she's been a very, very significant part of that.
टूटी चारपाई वही ठंडी पुरवाई रास्ता देखे दूधों की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराही रास्ता देखे टूटी चारपाई वही ठंडी पुरवाई रास्ता देखे रास्ता देखे
गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया जोड़ी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे देखो शादमानी हो गई हाय गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया जोड़ी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे देखो शादमानी.
To my brother, I mean, he's a very kind, genuine person. Since childhood, he's been like super obedient, has been listening to me. So I couldn't ask for a better brother, to be honest. So I'm like really lucky to have him as my brother.
So being in Delhi, so I was close to Shobat and I actually got to witness the problems they face. Having a long distance relationship, Shovato had his own problems that he faced while working at his company, and whether he was doing her MBA and she faced her own challenges, and these two people had to really stand with each other from a distance, that too, and really communicate a lot, have a lot of patience to help each other deal with their own challenges, and they really pulled through.
Kind, empathetic, gamers, cats lover, or as a sensible. I think sensible is the main one.
पहले भी मैं तुमसे मिला हूँ पहली दफा ही मिलके लगा तूने छुआ जख्म को मेरे मरहम मरहम दिल पे लगा पागल पागल हैं थोड़े बादल बादल हैं दोनों खुल के पर से भीगे आ जरा पहले भी मैं तुमसे मिला हूँ पहली दफा ही मिलके लगा तूने छुआ जख्म को मेरे
Be patient, my Barbie doll, and always choose to be right in every situation.
Jane, to make a perfect match, the thing I've seen in them is they are honest, they trust each other, and they respect each other.
One to do, oh priye what to do, oh ho gayi munde di patanga vargi tu ਐਵੇਂ ਉੱਡਦੀ
think Vaidehi is super cool and loving and, you know, really a very lovable person. I remember an experience, I would also call her a foodie. So I remember once we were just out of office and as well as, you know, in Gurgaon, she recommended the best items in a restaurant. So she's a foodie as well. And she cries a lot. She is always stressed out for things. And ultimately, the fifth word, I would say she is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. So these are the 5 words I'll use.
So Shaugato first falling in love with Vaidehi's smile, to fighting over silly things in college, to I think doing adulting together, long distance relationship together. I would say the relationship has evolved from an innocent love to a very mature kind of love, and I wish them all the best for their life ahead.
She is very loving and caring person, very fun to be around with. Once you get the hang of her, you will love to talk to her and have deep conversations with her.
So he comes to me one day and he's like, okay, I met a new girl and she's from your department. I'm like, whoa. And he's like, where they? And that was the day after which he's not there at the room. He's there wherever Vaidehi is. Like all the events Vaidehi is going to, she's like, okay, he's like, okay, I'm going there. So I think perseverance is the word that Shaugato did with Vaidehi.
Dada is one of the best person I've ever known. He's very caring and very kind. And this is one thing for you, that if you're with him, I can promise you that he'll keep you the happiest.
क्या बताऊं मैं तुझे, तू है जो मिला मुझे, हो गई है रब दी आमदा, इतने नसीब से देखा है करीब से, नूर दिया हुआ बारिशां, हो सज के जो आए तू अखियों के सामने, नजरा लगे ना मेरिया, ओ मेरे माये जिन्ना सोना ना कोई होया ना कोई होना, जे मैं पित्तल ते ओ सोना बाखुदा, ओ मेरे माये जिन्ना सोना ना कोई होया ना कोई होना, जे मैं पित्तल ते ओ सोना बाखुदा.
Both are very soft-minded, genuine, and very good human being. And they are very simple in their nature.
They have the big hearts
Yes.
to believe each other.
Yes. To be always calm, cool-minded, and keep faith on each other. That is the main key. Okay?
Yeah, it should.
Keep faith and belief on each other.
I also believe that.
Okay.
Remember, marriage is a partnership.
You make the big decisions, but he decides from where to get the biryani.
A happy wife is a happy life.
बीते सारे मौसम बाबुल तेरे घर में, अब चले पाओ मेरे पिया के शहर में. बीते सारे मौसम बाबुल तेरे घर में, अब चले पाओ मेरे पिया के शहर में. हो तूने विदाइयां कैसे लिखी मर जानिया, कैसे बताए ओ रब्बा सही नहीं हो जानिया. मधानिया
when we come together, it's basically like two pieces of a puzzle fitting together. What I mean by that is, she is a person who's very responsible, very well planned, whereas I am very laid back. So while she plans everything, but she can also get stressed about things. And me being lazy, by default, I'm also patient. So I calm her down. And likewise, when I get too lazy, she pushes me to do better.
So
And-
basically, I push him to be better, be a better version of himself, and he sort of grounds me when I get too worked up in the process.
And that is a very, very, very long answer, subjective question. But to be in short, if I have to put it in short in like say 50 words, I would put it like this. I met a woman, fell in love with her almost at first glimpse, and fell in love deeper as we grew and went along throughout our journey for the past 7 years. And today we are married.
हो कुछ भी नहीं है तेरे कदमों से आगे, कदमों से आगे, कदमों से आगे। तुझसे जो बांधे मैंने टूटेंगे न धागे, टूटेंगे न धागे, टूटेंगे न धागे। हाथ मेरा थामा तूने, तेरी मेहरबानियाँ मेरे नाम अब से तेरी सारी परेशानियाँ। मधानियाँ हाय वे मेरे डाडिया रब्बा, कि ना जमिया कि ना ले जानिया। हाय वे मेरे डाडिया रब्बा, कि ना जमिया कि ना ले जानिया।
It all started when we were, Shogoto and myself, we were having a stroll in the streets of IIT Bombay. And it was second year. He just casually said that there is this girl he likes, and I asked him who it is. He said it's Vaidehi. I knew her from our department, so then the mission started to get them together. We were all in the same group in NSS, and yeah, after that we planned several events. We did several outings. We made sure that both of them are in the same group every time, so that they can have some discussions. And yeah.
So was that like once Shago was having an interest on Vaidehi, he was like trying to get to the max start, get all the friend circle and become a wing person. So he came to me and he said that, yeah, I like Vaidehi and these are the things. Because of that, I'm very interested in her. And you're the person in events and you're always be together. So just make us hang out. And we were like also arranging some sessions with NSS activities, and we purposely put both of them together, and yeah, we did some internal things, and that's how it started. 7 years now.
So after 7 years, that love still stays and should stay.
We always knew that they are meant for each other.
Yeah. So boss.
Good thing that they clicked.
The first one is definitely commitment. The commitment they had for each other. I was literally shocked, and they're like one of those unique couples who are just stuck with each other for the past 7 years. and knowing what they have been through, I feel like they deserve everything in this world. And the second one, for any relationship that you need is respect towards each other and what they do. They have taken some tough decisions in both their professional and personal life. And I know both of them has respected each other for those, and they have been in together while doing all that. And obviously, the last and the most important one is dates are up here. And we have seen that, and we have been seeing that for the past 7 years. I feel like theirs is the perfect fairy tale. And guys, genuinely, you give me a lot of trust in love and relationships. And it will work if you really want it to work.
Hi, Adi. You're awesome. Your kindness and beauty like shines bright, and your joyful and vibrant nature, it fills everything with fun. So I think those are the words I'll describe you with. And your genuine connection, like the genuine connection that we have, the bond that we have, I really cherish that for life. When we were in the last year of IITB, I saw her, like we used to have a lot of conversation. I saw her how terrifying she was, moving from seeing each other to the long distance relationships. And but when they moved into a long distance relationship, I saw lot of fight, lot of challenges between them, but I knew since the starting that they are going to make it to the end. During the weekend, I saw them how hectic their schedule was, and they used to move from city to city. During the weekend, they used to meet each other. They make sure that they both are heard from each other. And after a lot of fights, finally they are here, and I'm so happy for them.
शाम को खिड़की से चोरी चोरी नंगे पाँव चाँद आएगा। ओ सुनियो रे, ओ जानिया रे, ओ सुनियो रे, ओ जानिया रे।
What to say, like as usual with every girls, and a person is like interested and approaches is like, okay, yeah, aise hai koi, and kya karna hai. And it was the initial phase like that only. As like whether he was like confused, like yeah, Shagorto was like having interest in her, and like he's like pretty open about vocal also. He was like very open about it that he likes these qualities in her, and it's like सीधा साफ बोल दिया था. So it's like why he was like क्या करूँ, क्या करना है. वैसे तो सोचा था initially, but I'll say that Shago is like very gentleman, and the good thing about both of them that they know clearly what they want from each other in terms of relationship, and what they've had a very clear clarity about it. So I guess these things made her change her unstable mind, and then she was like starting to fall in a little bit of love, and then it started to more and more and more. So aise tha.
I felt it multiple times, but the first time when I felt is that when there was a time when they had a very, very intense fight where they called me, and she's like that, अब तो नहीं हो रहा है, I'm gonna break up with him, अब तो नहीं चलेगा, he is not right for me. And all of a sudden, next day, everything was all right. She was very calm, she was very happy after the discussion. So every time this happens, and then they are able to sort it out very maturely, and they know what do they want from each other. So I think that is something which is needed for every relationship, and kinda we are learning from them how to keep it.
The key to Vaidhi and Shogoto's everlasting love is patience and perseverance.
And I think as Seema auntie says it, flexibility in all aspects of life. 5 words for Shogoto would be, he's always late. It's a wonderful thing that he's the first one of the group to get married. He's an avid foodie, avid gamer. We have had countless sessions with him in terms of gaming and all. KFC connoisseur, and most importantly, a very great friend. So congratulations, Shogoto, for that. Thank you.
I remember it was in college, and Shogat and I used to have really late night conversations, long ones, strategizing, making a plan to woo the girl of his dreams. I think he did have a plan, but in the end, it doesn't matter, right? When you have a couple who are just meant to be, like Vaidehi and Shogato, it's just effortless. I don't think the game plan was even adhered to. The odds were against him. I was given to understand that Vaidehi was like maybe one or two, was just one or out of two girls in the whole mechanical department of IIT Bombay. The odds were against my boy Shogato, but he still ended up with her.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to congratulate them. They're one of my inspirational couple. So when Vaidehi came to IMB first, she came with a new challenge for her relationship, that is long distance. And I think Shogato did not make her feel alone for like any single day. I remember the number of flights Vaidehi took during her tenure in IIM Bangalore. It was uncountable. And I think that, makes them very compatible for each other. They were ready to sacrifice so much time and effort for each other.
Fashionista, kind-hearted, resilient, radiant, foodie. Congratulations, Vaidehi and Swagata. Tuesday, lobsters, time-tested.
Kindred souls. And very best of luck.
Congratulations.
My marriage promise would be this, that I would teach her to, I would love herself and teach her to love herself as much as I do. And through the care that I give her, I would like that she also loves herself that way.
I promise you that I'll build a life full of love. With you, around you, family, with everyone. So, yeah, that's my promise.
My message would be this, that I know that Vaidehi's family thinks that we are quite young. They probably see us as kids only. And they feel that, that daughter का दूसरे family का part होने पे या marriage होने के बाद, who will take care of her. So my message to them would be that I am here and I will do that. So you don't have to worry about that.
In fact, he's been taking care of me for the last 7 years. So they don't need to worry. My message to your family is that I'll always take care of you. I'll always love you.